Google Business Profile Updates. In the past, Google gave every business a big, bright neon sign. This was your Google My Business profile. It shone brightly on the main street of the internet, attracting anyone who walked by. Google give all shops big shiny sign. This was Google My Business. Sign is free and bright. In 2021, Google changed the name from Google My Business to Google Business Profile to make it clearer that this was the official location of your business, right in Google Search and Maps. Laura the lawyer was obsessed with her sign. She filled it with shiny keywords and polished it every day. It looked like the best sign in town, and many people visited her just because of it. Even though her actual website wasn't very helpful, Barry the baker also took care of his sign, but he focused more on making his actual shop, his website, an amazing place, with photos of fresh bread and a story that people loved. Attention, the rules have just changed. Now, Google has sent out a very smart detective robot. The AI robot. The smart robot, Google's new AI, didn't just appear on a single day. The big change in how Google gave visibility to local businesses started around 2022 and became much more obvious in 2023. This new robot isn't impressed by just a flashy sign anymore. It wants to see what's real. Robot is very smart. It is not just look at sign. Robot goes inside the shop, checks website, and listens to talk in the town, reads reviews everywhere. The robot prefers Barry. Why? Because it walked into his shop, his website, and saw it was authentic and high quality. Smells like good bread. Clean. The robot also heard that the whole town was talking about his incredible bread in other places, like food blogs and local news sites. When the robot visited Laura, however, it saw a shiny sign but a neglected shop inside. Inside Laura's shop, website, is messy. Not It also noticed that nobody in town was really talking about her. Robot don't send people to Laura. The lesson. Before, having the brightest sign was enough. Now, Google's robot rewards those who have the best shop, a great website, and a strong reputation all over town. Mentions and external reviews, the sign is still useful, but it's no longer the star of the show. Real quality and genuine reputation are what truly matter. Before, big shiny sign equals people come. Now nice shop, website, plus good talk in town, reviews, equals people come. Game has changed.